welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce, and for a returning subscriber, Karibast. It's around 9:30 a.m. so I'm gonna show you what I will make. So we're gonna make it together. Let me show you the ingredients and then we start making our breakfast. So guys, for breakfast we are going to have cassava and sausages and tea. So these are the cassavas and 4 sausages. The reason I have 4 sausages is because we are 2 of us, me and mom. So, and this is cooking oil, this is our milk. So we are gonna start preparing our breakfast. So I'm gonna light the gas. Over here we have our pan. This is where we are going to cook our sausage and our cassava. Over here we are going to prepare our tea. And because we are the 2 of us, we are not going to cook a lot of tea. For me personally, I don't like tea. That is why you're seeing me prepare this amount. So we are going to wait for the oil ishike moto and for our tea to boil. I will be showing you the process of making the cassavas. So our tea has come to a boiling point. By this time it's ready. I have even added tea leaves. Mama napendanga chai yenye iko na tea leaves mingi, so that's why you can see I have added a good amount of tea leaves. So our cooking oil is ready, and now we are going to put in the cassava. We are going to deep fry them. Always remember, when you're boiling your cassava, make sure you add a good amount of salt, so that when you're deep frying them, they will have that taste, that good taste. I'm going to put in my sausages as well. We are going to wait for them to get ready. For the cassavas, I want them to be crunchy. That way they are very sweet. our breakfast is ready, and this is how it looked like. I love the outcome. These cassavas are so good. They are very yummy and crunchy. So guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast. I have added a fruit. This is a banana, and as you can see, it looks nice and it's very yummy. If you know me, you know I love arrowroots, I love cassava, I love sweet potatoes. I don't like bread. Almost like bread. I don't love bread, so that's why you see me enjoying this cassava.